Hey everyone, welcome to this step-by-step guide on the Wise app and website. If you are someone who deals with international money transfers, multi-currency accounts, or even just wants to save on fees while traveling, Wise is a must-have tool. With over 60 million users worldwide, Wise is known for its transparency, low fees, and mid-market exchange rates. But Wise is more than just money transfers. It offers a multi-currency account, debit cards, digital cards, and even investment options like stocks and interest-earning funds. Whether you are a freelancer, traveler, or business owner, Wise simplifies cross-border money management. In this video, I'll walk you through the Wise app and the website side by side so you can see how easy it is to use. Plus, I'll share some tips and base features at the end to help you get the most out of Wise. Let's start with creating a Wise account. On this website, head to thewise.com and click Open an account. On the app, you'll see the sign up option right on the home screen. Enter your email, choose a password, and select your country or residence. Wise will send a verification code to your phone. Enter that and you are in. Once you have logged into the Wise app, you will land on the home page. This is where you will see your total balance across all currencies. You will also find your recent transactions so you can quickly check what's coming in and going out. Plus, Wise displays current exchange rates, helping you stay updated on the best times to convert or send money. From here, you can access all the app's key features. Whether it's sending money internationally, managing multi-currency balances, or exploring investment options. Let's dive into each feature step by step. First, let's see adding money to your Wise account. Once your account is set up, you will need to add money. On the app, tap Home and select Add. On the website, click Balances and choose the currency you want to add. You can find your account via bank transfer, debit or credit card, or even Apple or Google Pay. Bank transfers are the cheapest options, while cards are faster but come with a small fee. If you are traveling, load up your Wise account with the local currency of your destination to avoid high exchange rates later. Now, let's see sending money internationally. Let's send internationally. On the app, tap Send at the bottom. On the website, click Send in the top left corner. Choose the currency you are sending from and to. Enter the amount and add your recipient's details. Wise will show you the exact fee and exchange rates up front, no hidden charges. Always choose the low-cost transfer option if you are not in a rush. It's cheaper and only takes a bit longer. The next one is using the multi-currency account. One of the Wise-based features is its multi-currency account. On the app, tap Balances to see all your currencies. On the website, click Balances in the sidebar. You can hold over 14 currencies and even get local bank details for up to 10 currencies like USD, Euro, and GBP. Exchanging currencies with Wise. Another Wise's most powerful feature is its ability to let you exchange currencies at the real mid-market rate, no hidden fees or markups. Here is how it works. On the app, tap Balance and select the currency you want to convert. On the website, click Balances in the sidebar. Tap Convert and enter the amount you want to exchange. Choose the currency you are converting to. Wise will show you the exact exchange rate and fee upfront. Review the details, then click Convert to complete the transaction. Plus, Wise guarantees the exchange rates for a set period, so you don't have to worry about fluctuations while you are making the transfer. Pro tips. Use jars to set aside money for specific goals like travel or bills. It's like a saving account within your Wise account. And next, let's see ordering and using the Wise debit card. On the app, tap Card at the bottom. On the website, click Card in the sidebar. You can order a physical card or get a digital card instantly. The card lets you spend it any currency at the real exchange rate with free ATM withdrawals up to a certain limit. Pro tip: use the digital card for online subscriptions or free trials. You can freeze or delete it anytime for added security. Next, let's see exploring Wise assets, stocks and interest. Did you know Wise lets you invest? On this app, tap Balance and select a currency on the website. Click Balances and choose a currency. You can switch your balance to interest to earn daily returns or stocks to invest in a global index fund. This is currently available in select regions like UK and Singapore. Pro tips: start with small amount in interest to test it out. Your money stays accessible, so you can switch back to cash anytime. And finally, let's set up auto conversion and direct debits. Wise makes it easy to automate your finances. On the app, tap Manage and select Auto Conversions. On the website, click Manage in the sidebar. Set up auto conversions to exchange currencies at your desired rate. You can also set up direct debits for bills or subscriptions. Alright, let's wrap this up with some tips to get the most out of Wise. The first one is always compare fees. Use Wise comparison tool to see if they are cheaper than your bank. Second, use jars for savings. You can separate your money for specific goals like travel or bills. And finally, you can invest with Wise assets so that you can grow your money with low risk options like interest earning funds. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on managing your money globally. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.